Hello everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I will show you the easy and clear steps on how to turn off personalized advertising on the Etsy application. So how to turn off personalized advertising on the Etsy application? Make sure you keep watching this video until the end. Let's get started right away. Firstly, open the Etsy Store app on your Android device. This is the initial screen of the Etsy Store app. Next, tap the profile icon in the upper right corner. This will appear. Next, tap the Settings menu. Now, you're in the Settings menu. Next, tap the Privacy menu. This will appear. Next, tap Personalized Advertising. So that's it, this tutorial on how to turn off personalized advertising on the Etsy application. Thank you for watching. I hope this video was helpful. See you in the next video.